In SiTRACK, you can define the criteria for allocating PRs to specific purchasers, such as by plant or purchase organization. Select the SAP user and specify whether or not they should be notified via email. Once a PR with the same criteria has been created, it will be assigned automatically and the user will receive an email. Here, the user can view details about the assigned PRs and get a link to access SiTRACK directly to manage them. In SiTRACK, the purchaser can now manage the purchase request. Alternatively, she or the manager can reassign this or multiple PRs to another user and provide an explanation or additional information in the comments section. New users can also be notified, and SiTRACK keeps a record of the assignment, date, and comments.